हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सबका एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। डिक्टेशन लिखने से पहले यहाँ पर दी गई इस महत्वपूर्ण सूचना को आप सब ध्यानपूर्वक जरूर पढ़ लीजिएगा, आपके बहुत काम आने वाली ये सूचना। ओके, नाउ बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। However, wide note number 3 of the state of Jharkhand of the final gradation list, a condition was stipulated that this final gradation list will be subjected to decision taken by the Department of Environment and Forest, State of Bihar, in compliance of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court in Civil Appeal number 6565 of 1999. Full stop. The State of Bihar published the final gradation list wide letter number 1684 dated 2/7/2010, in which the petitioners have been shown above the private respondents and the position of the petitioners in the gradation list vis-a-vis the private respondents is published in both the final gradation list of the Government of Jharkhand and the Government of Bihar respectively. Full stop. Paragraph. From the aforesaid tabular form, it is quite evident that the position of the petitioners in the gradation list published by the State of Bihar is above that of the private respondents, whereas in the State of Jharkhand their position is just the reverse. Full stop. Subsequently, wide order dated 12/8/2011 issued under the signature of the Joint Secretary, Forest and Environment Department, Government of Jharkhand, which clearly declares that the final gradation list published by the State of Jharkhand as contained in memo number 5533 dated 4/10/2007 would remain final subject to any adverse order by any competent court of law wide Annexure 10 to the writ application. Full stop. The final gradation list has been published in the State of Bihar wide notification dated 2/7/2010, published by the Deputy Secretary, Environment and Forest Department, Government of Bihar wide Annexure 11 to the writ application. Full stop. It has been submitted that so far as private respondent number 6 and 7 are concerned, who are not promoted, were regularized with effect from 3/10/2005 by the order of the Government of Bihar wide para 5 of the 3 main committee report under bracket Annexure 6. Full stop. Since they were regularized on 3/10/2005, they could get seniority only with effect from the date of regularization, and they have been placed lower to the petitioners in the gradation list published by the State of Bihar, and so far as respondent number 8 under bracket promotee is concerned, since no substantive vacancy was available at the time of the so-called appointment, the respondent number 8 could get right to post or right to appointment in substantive capacity only after 1998, whereas the petitioners were directly appointed in the year 1990 itself, and the promotion of the respondent number 8 was again non-existent post as per the ratio and the principles of the Honorable Apex Court referred to in the case of Sanjay Kumar Sinha II and others versus State of Bihar and others reported in within bracket 2004-10 SCC 734 within bracket Supra. Therefore, the inter se seniority of the petitioners below the private respondents as fixed by the Forest and Environment Department, Government of Jharkhand wide letter number 5533 dated 4/10/2007 issued by the Deputy Secretary has to be modified and rectified in view of note number 3 as contained in the aforesaid letter, which clearly stipulates that the aforesaid gradation list will be subject to the final gradation list published by the State of Bihar bracket open annexed as Annexure 12 to the writ petition bracket close full stop. ये टोटल आपका मैटर 524 वर्ड्स का है और ये 90 और 100 के बीच का डिक्टेशन था. लीगल पैसेज है, लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपके एग्ज़ाम में जनरल ही आएगा, लीगल भी आ सकता है, क्योंकि कहीं कुछ इसके लिए एक फैक्ट लिखा नहीं रहता ना. इस कारण से आप मैटर लिखिएगा और टाइप करिएगा. और पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, टेलीग्राम लिंक से जुड़िएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और डिक्टेशन पसंद है डिक्टेशन को लाइव भी कर लीजिएगा. ओके, और सूचना ज़रूर पढ़ लीजिएगा, सूचना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.